Step 1. Slide the capacitor onto the T-bolt and assemble. Insert the assembled T-bolt into the vehicle's mounting hole. Then position the U-bracket over the T-bolt. Secure with a nut and tighten firmly. Repeat this process for all 3 U-brackets. Step 2. Align the holes on the side Molle panel with corresponding holes on both sides of the U-bracket. Assemble the gaskets and bolts, then insert and tighten securely. Step 3. Check that all bolts and nuts are securely tightened. Repeat the above steps to install the opposite Molle panel.